Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-29, the Boiler Chimney for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-29, the Boiler Chimney for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Open up template MMGS. Okay, top plane, 2 circles. This is pretty straightforward, it's just a tube. Pretty much tube. So the inside diameter is 63. 63. The outside one is 67. And extrude 320. I'm not worried about changing mid-plane because that's pretty much all there is. Let's see, do that one. And that's going to be brass. Run the brass. And done. That is done. That's part 3-29 Boiler Chimney done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Enjoyed the episode? Click like if you want to see more, subscribe, and welcome all new subscribers, and thank you everyone's support. Leave comments below. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.